I will now show you how to search by keyword and what is the result. Let's say you are interested in CUDA. You type it here on the right side, and on the left side, you see all the courses that contain this keyword in the heading. For each course, you see the name of the course, level, provider, and course dates, if that information is available. Let's now reset filters to see how to use filtering by different categories. Overall, there are 5 categories. You do not necessarily have to choose from all 5. You can choose only one if you wish. You can click here on the arrow to see what's underneath, and then click either on the square or the name. Let's say we want to know more about machine learning. Next, you can choose level. Potential users, if you do not know anything about the topic. Beginners, if you have little knowledge. Intermediate, if you have quite a lot of knowledge already. And advanced, if you know a lot about the topic, but you would like to know even more. Next, you can decide which field you would like to cover. And here, let's say we want to know more about IT and computer science. You can choose maximum 2 fields from this list. You can also choose a learning format, but I will show you more detailed information about this in another video. So let's skip this for a moment. And for languages, there is a list of languages, and let's say we want to learn in English. Now, on the left side, there is a list of all categories you have chosen, and here with gray markers are all your categories. If you click on any of them, it will automatically be cancelled from the search. So let's say we want to know more about the course, Getting Started with AI on Supercomputers. So here's the provider, then the heading or the title of the course. Then comes a short abstract on what is the course about, as well as learning objectives and prerequisites, if there are any. And if you click on More button, you will be guided to the website where you will be able to learn this material and have all the materials there and more information. On the right side of the screen, you see which categories this course includes, including certificate information, pricing, course dates, and so on. In case you would like to go back to the course list, you click on the gray space outside this white box, and you are guided back to the course list. You can reset filters and start the search on your own. Thank you for watching this video.